We are at the Bradford Literature Festival. We are here for the UK premiere of Hijra in the Footsteps of the Prophet. The event sold out quite a while ago, and we are so delighted to have this partnership with Ithra. It is so special for the festival, but actually for the UK to be able to bring this film here.
I was really excited to see developments of the work of the Hijra. It brought tears to my eyes because I felt the connection to the Prophet Muhammad going on that migration and that journey with his companion.
Seeing 50 kilometers being filmed by people walking and with drone footage. We fly by plane and we don't get at all a feel of what it was like and what the landscape is like. I was fascinated.
It hits home that it was a harsh journey, it was a difficult journey. Being able to almost imagine these people and having a very close connection with them resonated with me because I see these stories as universal.
The conversation at the end between Sheikh Abdullah Alkadi and the various people that were involved in making the film, it really brought to life the effort, the passion and the commitment to produce such an amazing documentary. I would love to watch it again.